Welcome to our guide on how to earn your first $100 on Fiverr. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your freelance journey. First, let's create a strong Fiverr profile. Choose a professional profile picture and write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience. Next, selecting the right niche is crucial. Research popular categories and find where your skills align. Now, let's focus on writing high-converting gig titles and descriptions. Use clear, descriptive titles and include relevant keywords. Your description should outline what you offer, how it benefits clients, and include a call to action. Moving on to gig images, design eye-catching visuals that represent your services. Use tools like Canva to create professional images. Next, pricing your services correctly is key. Start with competitive rates to attract your first clients, then gradually increase your prices as you gain experience. To get your first order, promote your gig on social media and engage in Fiverr forums. Once you receive an order, communicate effectively with your clients. Be prompt and clear in your responses. Deliver quality work on time, exceeding client expectations. Finally, ask for feedback and encourage clients to leave 5-star reviews. This will help you build credibility and attract more customers. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to earning your first $100 on Fiverr. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your freelancing journey.